Hi, today I'm going to show you how to remove a sky background easily in Photoshop in just a minute. First, go to Channels, select the blue channel, then duplicate it. Next, press Ctrl L to open levels, then adjust the sliders until the sky becomes completely white and the subject becomes a solid black. This will help Photoshop detect your edges better. Next, click the load selection button at the bottom. Next, go back and then hide all channels, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to inverse the selection. And last, click the mask icon to remove the sky instantly. You'll get a clean cutout ready for any background. And that's it. Fast and easy and super clean sky removal using channels. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips.